Looking for the best photo editor in 2026? Should you pay for Photoshop, stick with the free GIMP, or use Photopea directly on your browser? Each editor has its strength, but choosing the wrong one can waste both your time and money. In this video, we'll compare Photoshop, Photopea, and GIMP to help you decide which one is right for your workflow. Intro. Adobe Photoshop remains the industry standard for photo editing. Photopea has become one of the best free browser based alternatives, while GIMP continues to be a powerful open source editor. We will compare them across six important categories: features, ease of use, AI tools, performance, pricing, and who each editor is best for. Let's begin. Features. Let's start with editing capabilities. Photoshop. Photoshop offers the most complete set of tools. You get advanced layer editing, smart objects, professional masking, camera raw, content aware fill, advanced selections, CMYK support, HDR editing, 3D and video editing tools, thousands of plugins. It's built for professionals working in photography, design, advertising, and digital art. Photopea. Photopea looks and feels almost identical to Photoshop. It supports PSD files, AI, XD, Sketch, and PDF files, layers, masks, smart objects, adjustment layers, filters, basic vector editing. Since it runs entirely in your browser, there is nothing to install. While it lacks some advanced Photoshop features, it's surprisingly capable for most everyday editing tasks. GIMP. GIMP focuses on traditional image editing. It includes layers, masks, brushes, selection tools, filters, custom plugins, script automation. However, it doesn't fully support Photoshop's smart objects, many PSD features, or built-in CMYK editing without additional plugins. For many users, it's still more than powerful enough. Ease of use. Photoshop has improved significantly over the years. Its interface is polished, customizable, and well organized. Plus, there are countless tutorials available online. The downside, there are so many tools that beginners can still feel overwhelmed. Photopea. Photopea has the easiest transition for anyone familiar with Photoshop. Since the interface is nearly identical, most Photoshop tutorials also work in Photopea. The only drawback is that working inside a browser isn't always as smooth as desktop software. GIMP. GIMP has improved its interface, but it's still the least beginner friendly. Menus and shortcuts are different from Photoshop, so there's a steeper learning curve. AI features. This is where Photoshop clearly leads. Adobe has integrated powerful Firefly AI tools, including Generative Fill, Generative Expand, AI Remove Tool, AI Object Selection, Neural Filters, AI powered background removal, automatic sky replacement. These features save professionals hours of editing time. Photopea includes several smart editing tools, but it doesn't offer the same advanced generative AI features as Photoshop. Most edits are still done manually. GIMP also relies mainly on manual editing. Some AI capabilities are available through third party plugins, but they are nowhere near as integrated or polished as Photoshop's AI tools. Performance. Photoshop performs extremely well on modern computers, but it's also the most demanding. Large PSD files and AI features require a decent amount of RAM and a powerful processor. Photopea runs in your browser. Performance depends on your internet browser, available system memory, full size. For smaller and medium sized projects, it performs surprisingly well. GIMP is lightweight. It runs smoothly even on older computers, making it a great option if your hardware isn't very powerful. Pricing. Here's one of the biggest differences. Photoshop. Photoshop requires a paid Adobe Creative Cloud subscription. While it delivers the most features, it's also the most expensive option. Photopea is free to use. The free version includes ads. If you want an ad-free experience with additional benefits, there is an affordable premium plan. GIMP is completely free. No subscriptions, no ads, no feature limitations. Everything is available from day one. Who should use each one? Choose Photoshop if you are a professional photographer, if you work with clients, if you need advanced AI tools, if you create commercial designs, and if you rely on Adobe Creative Cloud. Choose Photopea if you want a free Photoshop alternative, if you edit PSD files occasionally, if you do not want to install software, if you work from different computers, and if you need quick edits online. Choose GIMP if you prefer open source software, if you want completely free editing, if you have an older PC, if you are comfortable learning a different interface, and if you mainly edit photos without needing Adobe specific features. Final verdict. So, which editor wins? If budget isn't an issue and you want the most powerful editor with the latest AI features, Photoshop is still the best choice in 2026. If you want an excellent free browser based alternative that handles most editing tasks, Photopea offers incredible value. And if you prefer a fully free desktop editor with no subscriptions, GIMP remains one of the strongest open source options available. Ultimately, the best editor depends on your workflow, budget, and experience level. If this comparison helped you decide, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more software reviews, comparisons, and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.